guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do my 10-minute everyday makeup. Hopefully it takes only 10 minutes. It usually takes me 10 minutes, so hopefully today it also takes me 10 minutes, because otherwise that's really fucking awkward. This is my usual everyday light glowy casual makeup. I always get compliments on it and people always ask me to make a video about my makeup routine, so this is me making a video. Enough yapping for me, because I got to prove to you guys I can do this makeup routine in 10 minutes. So I'll catch you guys later. If you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. That was in a weird order, but regardless, I hope you guys enjoy and get something out of it. So bye guys, enjoy the video. I'm not used to filming at this angle, so hopefully it looks good. First step of the makeup routine is always your base. Before I put anything on my face, I will be moisturizing and applying some sunscreen. Moisturizer I've been loving at the moment is the Skinstitute Vitamin C Serum. What is it? Vitamin C Ceramide Moisturizer. It's meant to brighten and hydrate. I've been loving this. I've been using Skinstitute for years. I've really been enjoying this. I feel like my skin's really glowy. I've been in Adelaide for a few days and like my skin just feels so dry, so we've put a little bit extra. Next step is always SPF. This is the Mecca Cosmetica Broad Spectrum Sunscreen with niacinamide. My friend who's in Adelaide is a makeup artist. She works at Mecca and she was like, this is the best sunscreen at Mecca. So, you know, I'm gonna keep using it. I was in my beauty loop and I've been trying to use what I have instead of buying new stuff. So rubbing in my sunscreen. Next up, eyebrows. This is the Kosas Brow Pop eyebrow pencil. I think this is a medium brown. I just had to buy a new one. I've been using this for literally years. Best eyebrow pencil ever. I'm getting my eyebrows done in a few days, so it is such a shame that this is a state of seeing my eyebrows in. To be honest, I'm not very good at this. I'm sure there's a way meant to do this, but I wear glasses. I can't really see that far, so I just color them in and hope for the best. They're meant to be sisters, not twins. And I'm more like distant cousins, but like, you know. Next up is my holy grail product. Oh my god guys, if you have oily combination skin, you need this. Like, this is the greatest like $100 and something I've spent, and I know that's a little bit exorbitant for makeup. Like, you know what guys, if it didn't work I wouldn't buy it, because quite frankly that's very expensive, but it is worth it. I've been using it for years. I've had like 3 tubes of it. Oh, I've had 3 tubes of it. But a little bit goes a long way. One of my friends got me onto this and it changed my life, because my makeup used to always come off and now it stays on. Like, when you have oily skin, it's so hard to find like products that stay on your face all night long. This bad boy is just divine. Next up is my current obsession. This product is, I've told everyone to go buy it because it is the best thing ever. It is the Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint. This looks disgusting. I actually need to clean my makeup on my to-do list, because this is just, it's gross. I do take care of my stuff. I don't know how it gets dirty. But basically I'm just putting a little bit on my face. I actually put a bit more than usual, but it's just because I'm filming. I just put a little bit. This isn't very like high coverage. It's very much just like a layer. Kind of just makes me feel a bit more put together, a bit more glowy, and like my skin is kind of not, just makes me feel like my skin isn't like discolored. It's giving like clean girl aesthetic. Why are my brushes falling apart? If you've got makeup brush recommendations, please drop them below, because all my makeup brushes just, oh my god. Can you guys see that? Oh, I got it. Yeah, so if you're looking for something daily that isn't, you know, high coverage, it's just very light, very glowy, then get this. Next up is this Rare Beauty blush. This is in the shade Hope, which I'm a bit biased because it's the one that I own, but I think this is the best color ever. It's just so peachy and cute. I think if you've got more olive based skin, this color is so pretty. A little bit goes a long way. This is so pigmented. I don't know when I became like a brush makeup girl. It's a very recent shift in my life. To be honest, it's only because I'm too lazy to wear my beauty blender, so we had to go back to the brushes. Next up we have our trusty Charlotte Tilbury contour stick. Well, I say trusty until it's on an airplane, but I locked it, so we're all G. I need to buy a new one ASAP. I think I'm gonna put it on my Christmas list. I've gone through 2 or 3 of these. I'm obsessed. I think this is the medium to dark color. Sorry if I sound flat today. I'm like so tired. I got home from the airport after landing home at like midnight, and then by the time I got to sleep it was like nearly 1. I have heaps of work to do today because I'm about to jet off to Indonesia for my study abroad, and I'm going to be in Brisbane tomorrow for work, so there's just so much to do today. That's how you know this makeup look is a quick one, because I don't have no time to spare. Like, that just sounded like word vomit. Next up I am going in with my Mecca Max contour stick. I'm just gonna contour my nose with it. I could just use my Charlotte Tilbury, but I find it really hard to contour with it. Now, I find this easier with a beauty blender. It's still wet because I wet it yesterday, but I'm just gonna put some setting spray on there. Because I can't be fucked to getting up. And then I'm just gonna blend her in so my nose looks a little bit snatched. Oh my god, there's more. Can you guys see that? Like, I just have a freaking makeup brush. Just, why me? Concealer. I forgot my concealer when I was in Adelaide, so I used a different concealer, and I'm pretty sure there's a reason why I have this like clogged up duct thing here. I thought it was a sty or conjunctivitis, and I was freaking out because I was like, I can't have this happen to me right now. But I think it's just a like a little pimple. So we're going back to my Kosas concealer because she's never let me down. She's never gave me a little pimple in my eye. Putting on a little bit of concealer. Oh, I didn't tell you the shade. This is in 04N. Been using this for a long time. Usually I do use a brush, but today I do have a beauty blender, so I am going to use a beauty blender. I probably shouldn't be putting makeup over this, but Desperate Times Competition measures, hey. Guys, do you remember when we used to watch like Shiny Griffin and Michael Finch do makeup and they'd just be like, what a time. Genuinely, like, what a time. We need that back. That era of like YouTube needs to come back. Next up, we are putting powder because I am oily. I need powder for my makeup to stay on. Also, I need makeup. I need powder for it to stay on my face. I wish I could be someone that just uses cream products, but I am not. For ages I was using the Laura Mercier powder, but it ran out. I'm trying to use what I have, you know, hashtag the economy sucks. Yeah, I'm trying to use the products that I have because I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm using my MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless Pressed Powder, which is a really good powder. I'm using it in the shade Natural Medium. You can buy this at like Chemist Warehouse and Big W and stuff. MCO Beauty is a great option if you can't afford to buy high-end makeup. I wake up with pimples on my face tomorrow. It's because of this brush. It was just sitting at the bottom of my bag with all my other shit, and I'm like, ew. Now, I think that the most important step of your makeup routine is bronzer. This is the MAC Gimme Sun. I actually don't think they make this anymore. So that is unfortunate because this is my holy grail. I've been using it for several years now. Have repurchased it. It is the greatest thing ever. It is what I was raised on. The color is just so perfect. Is that more? Oh my god, guys. Do you see this? This is so embarrassing. Wow, okay. Maybe I need to put makeup brushes on my Christmas list because my makeup brushes are fucked up. I'm a really strong believer that bronzer can fix most makeup looks. Like, my makeup's looking a little bit strange and I'm like, something's off. 99% of the time, putting on more bronzer is gonna fix it. Like I said, I'm a bit of a slut for bronzer. So I've put on one light layer of bronzer. And now I'm gonna put on some blush. I just bought this blush. It is the Makeup by Mario blush. I bought it from Sephora. This is in the shade Creamy Peach. Look at that shade. However, I will preface and say that before this, so literally like before a week and a half ago, 2 weeks, I had been using this Rimmel London blush, which has been amazing. I've been using it for ages. Don't know how it hasn't hit the pan. I think it's close. But it's just like this with 3 shades and a shimmery one. I don't know what it was called. The Trio Blush Palette. This is old, but really trusty. But for today, we are going to be using my Makeup by Mario blush. Very pigmented, as you can see. But she's a really nice peachy color, which I think goes really nicely with this shade of bronzer. So on my nose, because I like it. Now we're grabbing the bronzer again. A little bit. I say this is my everyday makeup, but this is actually the same makeup that I do on night out. Like, it doesn't change except for like using a foundation instead of a skin tint, or putting on more powder, doing an eyeshadow look, or adding lashes. But the general gist of it is all the same. I'm a creature of habit. I don't really change it up that much. We're going back to 2016, but the next step is highlighter. I love highlighter. I think it just finishes the look up really nicely. So this is the Becca Champagne Pop. I think it's sold under Smashbox at Mecca now, but like, if you are my age and you are a YouTube girly, you will know the significance of this. It is the greatest thing ever. Like, a different brand would not be selling it if it wasn't iconic as fuck. You know what I mean? So we're not doing crazy streaks of highlighter. We are just lightly making our face a little bit more glowy. Just like this. What is it? On the high points of your face, like your cheekbones and... I'll pick that up after. I'll put only a little bit in my inner eye just because I don't want to aggravate this pimple. At the moment, I've been using the, oh my god, my makeup is disgusting. I'm so sorry, guys. They're well loved and well used. This is the MCO Beauty Extend Lash Mascara. It is lovely, but I just got my lashes lifted, as you guys can see, and they're still tinted, and I just like keeping it like that, so we're not wearing mascara today. I get my lashes done at Vanessa Rawlings Beauty. She is located in the southeastern suburbs of Melbourne. But I will be doing my lip combination, just my usual classic look that literally everyone asks for. It is wild. I'm just gonna line my lips with this lip liner. It is Rimmel London. I think it's a lasting finish lip liner. It's in the shade Spice. I don't know if they still make it. It's just quite old, so the day they're still making this, I don't know what I'll do with myself because it's all I use. And then for lip gloss, I always use the same thing. It is the Mecca Max Gloss Boss Lip Gloss in It Girl. It's like $20 from Mecca. It is great for the price, especially considering lip gloss can get so expensive these days. I feel like for $20, this is a really great product. It lasts me forever, and the colors are so nice. There's so many different color options. I think I want to buy like a darker shade. I get so many compliments every time I use this. Coming up to Christmas, it's a really good Kris Kringle present idea. What she looks like, she's just glowy, she's light. I probably should have covered this up, but again, like when I do my makeup like this, it's literally just to look more put together. I don't really give a fuck. I should really not be this close. Hold up. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got something out of it. This is a super quick and easy makeup look that you can do with any products, to be honest, but this is just how I do it. I wear this makeup look multiple times a week. I've gotten so fast at doing it and I always get compliments on it. If there is one product out of this that I think you guys should get, it is a Summer Friday skin tint. It is worth every penny. Go chuck it on your Christmas list because this is just marvelous. Not sponsored. This is just my absolute love for the product. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be back very, very soon with a new video. I love you guys so much and I hope you have the most amazing day. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching the video.